Hi, here's a proven way to quickly and independently create or improve your own business in just a few clicks without prior knowledge. Let me ask you, what if you could have a web shop with a large warehouse that contains all kinds of products and services, and with one click you can transfer any product to your web shop? Or, what if you could have a social network with huge traffic, and interested customers who are ready to buy from your shop, and aside from all that, you have a unique algorithm that creates a passive income for you every second, and all of this without paying high monthly subscriptions to start your business or improve your existing one? Well, now you can. Introducing InFace Invest Group, revolutionary new franchise software that makes it easy for you to quickly and independently create and improve your own business in just a few clicks without prior knowledge. It's so much faster and easier because you don't have to have a lot of knowledge in running a business and a big budget to start something of your own, or spend your time creating something that has already been created and proven. Let me show you how it works. After registration, each user enters the distribution of profits through the first and main project, SFT21. And as a franchisor, he can use all projects and softwares within the InFace Invest Group company. InFace Invest Group has a large number of projects and softwares. And these are some of them: SFT21, SFToYou Social Network, SFTShop, SFTPay, SFT Invest, and SFT Universitas. Let's take a brief look at how all of this softwares can help you. SFT21. This software makes it easy for you to manage and control your entire business. You have a personal payment gateway that gives you the ability to receive, pay, and send money. It is made to have a personal algorithm with a unique system of distribution funds that come from the payment of starter packages, as well as 3 bonuses: friendly bonus, direct bonus, and sponsorship bonus. And also from 3 models of passive earnings from SFToYou, SFTShop, SFT Universitas, SFTPay, and SFT Invest, according to defined formula with the help of unique software. Meaning you will finally have passive income in a system that is proven and sustainable. SFToYou. This software makes it easy for you to make money in 3 ways, from passive work such as pay-per-click, advertising, and surveys, creating personal blogs, and connecting personal domains with huge marketing opportunities. It helps you to organize events of any kind for individuals and organizations, and you can collect ticket payments. You can promote and sell your products or services from SFTshop, and that works far better than on any other network, because there are no fake accounts here, which means you can get in touch with your target audience and generate a lot of traffic for all your products or services. SFTshop. This software is your solution to get your own web shop without expensive subscriptions, and you can have an amazing allocation of resources that is associated with SFT21 and SFToYou. You get a unique shop where you can place any product from the InFace warehouse in just 2 clicks. This allows you to start your own business that is far known in the world and that generates millions and billions of profits every hour. In addition to all that, the market is guaranteed for you because the company's users must spend part of earned money in webshop, and that means also on your products and services. SFTPay. Here you get your own payment processor with a unique way of functioning. You will be able to use a payment processor for personal or business needs outside the system. You will be able to use the processor for your needs, which includes payment processing for your products or services, and making payments according to your needs. SFTPay provides a choice of payment card that will be integrated with your wallet, and will not require making transaction costs, but the money in wallet is also available on Visa or MasterCard to pay, or withdraw cash from ATMs, which means you have a complete financial business in one place. SFT Invest. The money that will be accumulated as a profit is used as an investment for projects that will be selected in our tenders. A company or an individual does not have a risk or need a guarantee to obtain an investment. It is all up to the SFT Invest sector. Net profit from the realized project is divided into 79% for the project developer and 21% for the board of directors. SFT Universitas. With the help of this software, each country will be able to manage its complete education system, starting from preschools and all individuals, through primary, secondary, faculty, and university institutions. Each professor will use software for the entire education of students, with all the necessary materials in video and text format, and with the easy possibility of making online tests without prior knowledge of IT. Unique algorithm. How can you make guaranteed earnings using InFace Invest Group's unique algorithm? We will show you this by the example of this illustration. As you can see, this big highway represents the SFT21 algorithm. The gray road is the company road, and inside it are the purple stripes that represent your road within the company road. As new registrations take place within the company, The newly created accounts are placed within the company path, and thus within your unique path. These vehicles you see represent company accounts. Let's now zoom in your path within the company path, and see in more detail how 2046 accounts are positioned within your path. Let's take the example that at a certain point in time you registered with an InFace company and created your account. This is how you started your section of the road and got a certain account number. As you can see on the company path, there is no end to the number of positions or accounts that can be placed within the system, but your path is limited to 2046 accounts or positions. In this example, we can see your beginning of the journey. It is important to say that all those who are registered in the company before you participate in filling your path to the end, which is 2046 accounts, and that is the reason why you are guaranteed that your path will be filled and you will certainly have earnings from all 2046 accounts. It is also very important to say that not only individuals but also legal entities participate in filling your path, but also system accounts that are automatically created from a part of each franchisor's profit, and also from earnings from web shops and other projects that create system positions, which means that our system does not depend on people at all. You can notice that the largest number of accounts are individual persons. This is quite logical at the beginning of the creation of InFace company, because a large number of people recognize this business, but over time the following will happen. There will be fewer and fewer individuals compared to other positions, like positions from business accounts and system accounts generated from members' passive earnings, and system accounts created as part of earnings from the webshop, social network and all other projects. The real beauty of this system is that it does not depend on individuals and cannot be compared to any other system. This system is self-sustaining and this has been proven. InFace Invest Group company will in near future have far more system accounts than there are people on this planet. In your office, you have a detailed view of the SFT21 algorithm that shows you exactly which position you have taken, from which next position you will earn and how many accounts are currently registered in InFace Invest Group. Whether you like it or not, your path within the company path, as we have shown, from 2046 accounts will be filled because the system is made that way. How will the SFT21 algorithm generate revenue for you? We have 3 bonuses: friendly bonus, referral bonus, and direct bonus. The friendly bonus is a bonus from which you receive 4% of the amount of the franchise fee, paid by users and system positions, which is total 2046 accounts. Regardless of who introduced those positions into the system. These are not the people and accounts that you entered into the system. These are random positions that have emerged from the operation of the system, and the involvement of individuals, legal entities, and the creation of system accounts. This is what franchise fee payments look like. They are divided into 7 installments. 30 SFT coins, 25 SFT coins, 50 SFT coins, 100 SFT coins, 250 SFT coins, 500 SFT coins, 1000 SFT coins. The total amount of the franchise is 1955 SFT coins. It is important to note that all franchisors will pay all 7 franchise fees, due to the unique SFT21 algorithm. As we pay franchise fees, also all people and system accounts within your database or your path will pay those same franchise fees. And of course, that 4% of the payments go into your wallet. As you can see, 4% of franchise fees range from 1.2 SFT coins, 1 SFT coin, 2 SFT coins, 4 SFT coins, 10 SFT coins, 20 SFT coins, and 40 SFT coins. You will receive all these amounts according to the billing period, which is every 30 days. Your database or your path within the company path will count a total of 2046 accounts. So let's calculate how much you will earn per month. Multiply 40 SFT coins by 2046 positions, that's 81,840 SFT coins every month. In addition to the friendly bonus, we also have bonus recommendation. This referral bonus applies to your direct referrals. Depending on how many referrals you have, you will be able to get certain referral bonus percentage. This is calculated as follows. Each of your referrals has its own path on the company road, which is limited to 2046 positions. And your referral earns from his path, just as same as you earn from your own. We have explained this before. The company rewards you with 10 to 50% of the amount of earnings earned by your direct referrals. So let's say if your referral got 5,000 euros from the friend bonus, and you are on a 50% BC bonus, you will receive 2,500 euros referral bonus from your referral. This bonus, as well as limit on your earnings, depends on the number of your direct referrals. Direct bonus. Direct bonuses earned from each upgrade of your direct member in the amount of 10% of the monthly franchise fee. Each of your direct referrals will pay a monthly franchise fee starting with 30 SFT coins, then 25 SFT coins, 50 SFT coins, 100 SFT coins, 250 SFT coins, 500 SFT coins and 1000 SFT coins, and then each subsequent fee is 1000 SFT coins. From each listed fee you will earn a direct bonus of 10%, which would be 3 SFT coins, 2.5 SFT coins, 5 SFT coins, 10 SFT coins, 25 SFT coins, 50 SFT coins, 100 SFT coins, and each subsequent one is in the amount of 100 SFT coins. For example, if you registered 10 direct referrals in a short period of time, in this example you would earn 1,955 SFT coins in that period, or when we convert coins into euros it is 2,150 euros, and after that period your monthly earnings would be 1,000 SFT coins, only from this bonus. These all bonuses are part of the SFT21 software, and the SFT21 algorithm. At this point, it is important to note that your earnings in the SFT21 project are limited by the number of direct referrals. Of course, the option of building a career within the SFT21 project is optional. You don't have to build a career if you don't want to. You still have access to all other projects and software within InFace Invest Group. Let's now look in more detail how the earnings are limited by the number of direct referrals within the SFT21 project. When you have one direct referral, your monthly earning is 1000 SFT coins per month. When you have 2 direct referrals, your monthly earning is 2000 SFT coins per month. At silver status with 3 referrals, your earning is 10,000 SFT coins per month. At gold status with 7 referrals, your earning is 20,000 SFT coins per month. At platinum status with 14 referrals, your earning is 50,000 SFT coins per month. At emerald status with 21 referrals, your earning is 75,000 SFT coins per month. On the diamond career level, with 21 referrals, and when each of your referrals has 3 referrals, then you have no limit on earnings. On the blue diamond career level with 21 referrals, and when each of your referrals has 7 referrals, you have no limit on earnings, and you enter the board of directors for small investments. On the pink diamond career level with 21 referrals, and when each of your referrals has 14 referrals, you have no limit on earnings, and you enter the board of directors for medium investments. On the SFT diamond career level, with 21 referrals, and when each of your referrals has 21 referrals, you have no limit on earnings, and you enter the board of directors for large and capital investments. Limits on building career status. If you have not decided to register any direct referral within 90 days from the day of your registration and activation, your unique referral link is permanently blocked, and you don't have the right to continue building your career, and you remain at the limit of 102.3 SFT coins. If you register a new direct referral, within 90 days from the day of registration of the last direct referral, who will perform identity verification, and purchase one of the starter packages, you get a new 90 days to continue building your career and achieving a higher career status. For example, you enrolled your second referral on a specific date, and from that date you have another 90 days to register a new one, if you want to continue building your career. When you reach the Emerald career status, then there are no more time limits for you and you are free to continue building your career status at any time until the last and highest, and that is SFT21 Diamond. How do system positions work? We said that it was real money, so we will show an example of a web shop. Let's say the product costs 100 euros, the manufacturer can give a rebate between 21 and 71%, and each member, depending on the career status, can receive between 50 and 70% commission from that rebate, for each sale he makes. Let's take an example. So let's say that the rebate on a certain product is 41%, and the commission that a member receives for each sale is 60% of that rebate. The product costs 100 euros, the manufacturer gives a rebate of 41%, which is 41 euros, and out of that 41 euros the member gets 60%, which is 24 euros and 60 cents. Of that 24 euros and 60 cents, 1% goes to create system positions, and that is 24 cents. Let's say we have 50,000 web shops in the near future. That's a minimum. And in this example we said that each of these web shops sells only one product of 100 euros per day. So let's look how much is that. This means that when we multiply 50,000 web shops with 24 cents every 30 days, it amounts to 369,000 euros to create system positions. That's actually 170 accounts with full franchises in the company algorithm. And it is very likely that some of these positions will be placed inside your path, as we illustrated in the previous minutes. This is just a small example of creating system positions that are created from earnings from the web shop. Just imagine when there will be a turnover of 1 billion euros, and that will happen very soon. This will result in thousands and thousands of system accounts being created every day. I will briefly explain to you another example of creating system positions, and these are system positions that arose from money generated from members who were previously in the company, and who paid all 7 franchise fees. There are many such accounts in the company. These are persons and positions that have been in the company for more than a year. When an franchisor with InFace pays all 7 franchise fees, all of his profits are distributed as follows. 79% of every profit he gets goes to his wallet, and he can do whatever he wants with that money, and 21% is the royalty fee, and goes to the automatic wallet where the company does the distribution. For example, let's say you earn 15,000 euros from the 3 bonuses we explained. You get 79%, which is 11,850 euros, and you can withdraw that money to your card and spend it, and 21%, which is 3,150 euros, is distributed as follows. 1,000 euros goes to pay the regular franchise fee, after the payment of the full franchise. After the payment of the last franchise fee of 1,000 SFT coins, from your profit every month, if accumulated by then, 1,000 euros goes for the regular fee. That 1,000 euros is always distributed to other accounts according to the company's algorithm, while the remaining from 3,150 euros, which is 2,150 euros, goes to create system positions. Which means that every new member will benefit greatly from previous accounts in the company. Now, let me show you why InFace Invest Group is such an amazing franchise. 1. Just create a free account. 2. Verify your identity. 3. Register on payment processors. 4. Choose your package. 5. You have successfully started your own business, with all the softwares you need to make your business profitable. With InFace Invest Group you don't have to have prior knowledge of business and business management as an individual or company. Worry about your finances and expenses each month. Worry about whether your products or services will sell. Pay expensive advertisements for ads to reach customers of your products or services. Take care of bookkeeping because InFace Invest Group software does it all for you. Here's what you'll get with the InFace Invest Group franchise. SFT21, franchise software, 3 million euros value. SFToYou, social network, 2 million euros value. SFTShop, 5 million euros value. SFTPay, 3 million euros value. SFT Invest, 3 million euros value. SFT Universitas, 6 million euros value. Total value is 22 million euros. The great news is that you don't have to invest this huge amount to have all of this. Today, at this point, you can get all of this as your own franchise for a one-time fee. InFace Invest Group has 3 packages. Starter, Pro, and Master. Starter, 205 SFT coins, Pro, 955 SFT coins, and Master, 1,955 SFT coins. And all this without monthly or annual subscriptions. Each package is unique and provides certain benefits, as you can see here. My advice is that you don't wait too long, and take this opportunity now, because we have already raised the price twice, and we can't keep it at this level forever. Join the community of successful people, which currently has over 27,000 accounts on October 8, 2021. And the money distribution that goes through all the projects is more than 2 million euros. Oh, and yes, you can create one of our SFT user accounts completely free of charge, and thus become a member of our community, where you will have access to our SFToYou social network. And at any time you can decide to start or improve your business. So act now, open an account, and start your own business or improve your existing one, with the InFace Invest Group franchise.